Today's topic is email investigations. Okay, email investigation. Okay, what is the purpose of email investigation in computer forensics? Let us be discussed. Okay, first of all, the importance of email we have to discuss. Okay, email has become an important means why we are using the email in computer forensic means exchanging, exchanging any message all over the world. All over the world. We have to collect the clues in India. For example, I'm taking, we have to collect the clues in India. We have to transfer the clues by using email. We have to transfer another country. Another country. That purpose we have to use the email. The we are discussing in this video the importance of email. Day by day, number of users are using the email. Day by day there is an increase in the number of users of emails. Day by day the number of users are increasing by creating the email. Email and email evidence, both are same. Email and email evidence has become an important role in computer forensic. Email evidence, email evidence has become an integral part of forensic investigations. We are using email evidence in forensic investigations. In what purpose? Who said who is the sender and who is the receiver when tracing emails by using email ID? Tracing emails, investigators often look for web address. Investigators often look for web addresses, and also not only web addresses, it also found the links also. Not only investigators found web address and also links to check whether they are correct person or not. Present we are using email. The enhanced version is ESMTP, means enhanced simple mail transport protocol.